You'll definitely like a red flag.
It's new, your intuition.
We started UCA about 10 years ago. This is actually our 10th year of operation. And we started the program and the ministry with the idea we wanted to come alongside and help parents and students with education.
The purpose of the summer program is to teach the students about the love of God and His Word, to continue to educate them during the summer months, as well as provide good community for them and a safe place for them to hang out and be with friends and have fun.
I came to UCA last year just because I really wanted to be more involved in God's community. I wanted to be a part of a missions trip with my church and my youth group, and I thought that this would be a great opportunity to start doing that.
When I'm teaching them, when I'm teaching the kids, at first they will look really confused because they're learning new vocabulary words. It's not easy for them to learn something completely new, but I just had to teach them over and over, find different ways to describe certain words. And afterwards, they were able to figure out, and they knew how to answer my questions and stuff. And they just look really happy when I encourage them and give them a high five.
Thank you, all the volunteers who have put in the time, the effort, and the love into UCA summer program. Your efforts are not unnoticed or unappreciated. It really, really makes more of an impact than I think you may ever know. So I just want to thank you guys for the time that you have took to help out here.
Volunteers are very much an important part of our ministry, along with our donors, and it's with that together that enables us to offer a very robust, strong summer program that can be a ministry to all the students in our community.